just had a 4.5-hour flight. I'm tired. Alright guys, so I went to church. I met Skipper.
Yep.
Met Olga. Met Jenna and Britton. And we're doing, you know the saying, when in Rome, do what the Romans do? Well, we're in Boston, so we do what the Bostonites do. And Bostonians, excuse me. Thank you, Skipper.
Yeah.
And so, we're here in this beautiful park, wonderful trees, but it's not an ordinary park. No, it is a graveyard. Check out this tombstone. Holy smokes. Man, I usually get one about that size, but man, this guy must have been something special. Woo! Let's go check it out. All right, Britton, tell us about the history of this one.
This is by Lorenzo Maynard. Not by him. He's housing Lorenzo Maynard. And if you peer through the window, you'll see a nice depiction of Jesus Christ and the Lamb.
Oh, I see that. Is this even legal to peer through, peep through here?
I think it is.
All right.
But you can't open it. There's a lock or a key.
Let's try it. You know, that is like, it's not even a door, anything's sealed off tight. All right, Skipper, did we miss anything?
Oh my goodness, stained glass and everything.
Would you say you're impressed?
I'm impressed. I mean, life goals right here.
We are now climbing Cemetery Tower in Mount Auburn. There are exactly 372.4 stairs in this place. And I'm not out of breath, as you can tell. We're gonna make it. All right, guys, we have officially made it.
Welcome to Boston.
This is Boston right here, 100%. Anybody want to jump off? Wait, alright, we won't jump. Alright, on our trip to Boston, ran into Skipper here.
What's up?
Guess where he served on his mission?
Russia.
Yeah, он говорит по-русски. Так что мы друзья. Мы как этот. Right here, coming up, this is Britton.
Hi.
She had the same idea to stop over in Boston for the day, go to church, and then continue on to Europe.
Yeah, I'm going to Amsterdam tomorrow.
Oh, exciting. And she is gonna go with Jenna! Yay! And something cool about Jenna and Britton is they are gonna be over in Switzerland, same time.
Same place.
Yeah! So we might run into them.
See you again.
Yeah. And last but not least is Olga.
Hello.
She used to be roommates with Britton and Jenna.
Just Jenna.
Oh, just Jenna. Oh, I stand corrected. But either way, she's still super cool.
I answer.
And she knows a lot about Spain. She can speak this. She can speak the same language. Yeah, whatever she says. Something about idioms, you know, whatever. I'm going to Spain. I don't even speak Spanglish or whatever they speak over there.
Oh my God.
I'm just hoping and praying that I find someone who speaks Russian. So, fingers crossed.
So we're just walking through downtown Cambridge and just got to Harvard Yard. So showing Scotty around campus here of all the people smarter than we are. But
then again, you've gone to school how many different times and graduated?
Too many.
See, I was smart enough just to go once.
Yeah.
Here it is.
A lot of these buildings were built in like 1600s, 1700s.
That's cool. Very majestic. Alright, when were these built?
What's that?
When were these built?
So I know like some of these two I think were the 1600s. These are kind of the earliest buildings. And then these ones over here I think were 1700s. So
1700. This guy right here, that's Johnny Harvard. Founded this place. Pretty smart guy. Alright, this house right here is a pretty cool house. It's the Longfellow House. Do you know who lived here? General George Washington, Andrew Carnegie, and of course, the amazing, wonderful, talented artist and poet, Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. So that's pretty cool. Just got done touring it, and now I'm heading back to the airport.
I guess you get, well, I know. We also have another son-in-law who grew up there. So collect strawberries.
Elder and Sister Bar, I made it. Had fun in Boston. It's been a blast. Now, quick flight over to Lisbon. Not gonna get much sleep on this flight, but I'll try. Probably just do some editing, and then it'll be morning again. Ready for a quick transfer and on to Madrid. I'm going to be exhausted tomorrow, but I'm on vacation, so it's gonna be fun.